Hi everyone, welcome to Challenge 3 of our 3-challenge series. In this challenge, we will demonstrate a dispenser operation, where objects are fed, picked up, rotated, and dropped off using an automated system. System overview. This operation consists of 4 key components. Feeder cylinder moves the object forward for pickup. Feeder extension sensor detects when the feeder cylinder has extended. Rotary actuator rotates the object to a specific position. Rotary sensor confirms when the rotary actuator has completed its rotation. Electromagnet picks up the object and releases it after rotation. Gear step-by-step operation. Feeding the object. The feeder cylinder extends, pushing an object forward to the pickup position. The feeder extension sensor detects the object's presence and signals the system to proceed. Picking up the object. The electromagnet is activated to pick up the object from the feeder. Once secured, the feeder cylinder retracts, clearing the path for rotation. Rotating the object. The rotary actuator engages, rotating the object to the designated drop-off position. The rotary sensor confirms when the rotation is complete, dropping off the object. After rotation, the electromagnet deactivates, releasing the object at the drop-off location. The rotary actuator returns to its home position, ready for the next cycle. Thank you for watching.